Oh my goodness gracious, look at this.
Wow, that's
Oh,
good. Exercising.
okay. Oh,
Oh, you're doing good. Push, push,
I want
push.
to more up, up. Oh, look at that, guys.
Look
I
at
can
that,
do
eh?
it.
Yeah, wow, good for you.
Oh, it's hard. It looks like it's easy, but it's hard.
You're using your
Oh,
upper body strength.
yeah.
You're doing good.
Oh my goodness gracious. See, I'll hold it. Just hold it for a little bit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It gives more pressure on your shoulders too.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, gonna try it again. Ooh. Yeah, right here.
Mm-hmm.
There's where the pressure is.
Yep.
Ooh. Whoa, baby, look at that. Ooh. Where's my wonderful bird cheerer? She can't see me right now. She was just giving me a good cheering there. Oh, it's hard. I think it's better that way. Oh wow, now I got abs and muscles. See my muscles, guys?
That's there somewhere.
I got it hidden under my shirt. Oh, look at those birds. Oh, those are the birds that are noisy.
Oh yeah, there they are up there.
Yeah,
And there's
those
a
are the
squirrel.
ones singing.
And there's a squirrel. See it?
Oh, lots of squirrel. Yeah, Horace said there's lots of squirrel here.
There is. I've seen one before.
Is that the same squirrel at the house?
No. Oh, he just jumped.
Oh, oh my gosh.
Oh, there goes. Oh.
Yeah. I'll try to get those birds.
Nah,
Let
you
me
gotta
see,
hurry,
guys,
'cause
if
they're
I
gonna
can
take off.
hear. I can see
They're
them.
going.
They're going,
Oh,
going.
there's still two.
There's two up there. See if I can do it, guys. Those are the noisy, happy birds. Oh, I'm shaking now. Yeah, those are the ones that are singing. It's kind of shaky now, guys. Sorry. Aww. Let's go near. See if they get so near here. Oh. Yeah, they are yellow birds. Those are yellow birds. Wow. Bird watching. But I'm still shaking. Oh, sorry. I can't really focus good, guys. Because I'm really shaking. I'll try the other angle here. Maybe I can do it when my hands are resting on something. Oh, there they are. The yellow birds. Let's see. There's one right here. I'm gonna try to focus it again, okay, guys? Oh, gone now. Aww. Okay, so I did some exercise, and you had a chance to see those yellow birds that are tweeting and tweeting, cheering for me. Okay. And there's hubby still busy taking pictures. So we're still gonna find more vloggings to do around the village because we are not allowed to go out, I guess. So, oh, I just love those different sounds of the birds. Isn't that amazing?
It really is.
Yeah. It's so serene and quiet here in this village. Yeah. So, hubby and I are here. Oh, look at him. He's enjoying the swing too. How many years haven't you tried on a swing now?
60?
60 years. Me, it's just about 5 years. See? Aww. Okay, guys. We'll be recording again later. Oh. What kind of a bird is that again? That's a different sound again.
Big bird somewhere. Sounds like a big bird.
I think they have a bird inside that house, guys. Inside that house. Inside that big house. Yeah. Okay. This is LAILOTZKEE'S Canadian Way. More vlogging later. Babush, and have a good day, have a good afternoon, and have a good night wherever you are in the world. Okay? LAILOTZKEE in the Philippines. Babush.